Bienvenidos. 환영합니다.
Добре дошли.
Selamat datang.
Cabo.
Chào mừng.
Добре дошли в Bunker Hill Community College.
Welcome to Bunker Hill Community College. Established in 1973 in Boston, Massachusetts, Bunker Hill Community College is the largest community college in Massachusetts. It has over 11,700 students, with more than 700 international students from over 90 countries currently enrolled. It is one of the most diverse institutions of higher learning in the state of Massachusetts. The college takes special pride in our international students. Here is Executive Director of the Bunker Hill International Center, Vilma Tafawa.
At Bunker Hill Community College, we have made education affordable and accessible to all students around the world.
Our International Center provides a friendly home away from home for students who may have left their home country and a familiar environment for the very first time. We also offer one of the largest English as a second language programs in Massachusetts.
I came from Vietnam and I was very nervous about going to school in the US, but the International Center at Bunker Hill helped me with the orientation program so that I could adjust quickly.
They helped me with off-campus housing, all the paperwork like immigration regulations, practical work training, school transfers, and work permission.
Bunker Hill Community College is constantly growing and changing to meet the needs of not just our international students, but everyone who is a part of this dynamic campus. The latest example of our growth can be seen in the new 48,000 square foot Health and Wellness Center, which was dedicated in the spring of 2010. The center provides new classrooms, offices, and state-of-the-art laboratories for the college's expanding nurse education and health professionals programs. It's another example of Bunker Hill Community College's commitment to our students and the variety of opportunities we provide.
We offer associate degrees and certificate program in 94 different areas, including business, biotechnology, engineering, computer science, visual and media arts, culinary arts, and many more.
Our smaller classes offer individual attention from the professors, which promotes student success. Through transfer agreements with four-year colleges and universities, students have the opportunity to transfer to excellent colleges and universities all over the United States.
I'm here studying international travels and tourism management, and I hope to go back to my country to get involved with the international tourism business.
I came to Bunker Hill because I know it has a really good reputation among international students and it has a really good international community, and I want to study international business later on to start my own business back home.
I'm studying hotel and restaurant management, and for now I definitely like it, and it's really a great school. And hopefully when I'm done with my studying over here, I have 3 more semesters, I will go and make a restaurant in Bulgaria.
Bunker Hill Community College is proud to celebrate the rich diversity of our students and staff. We are even prouder to provide all students with an incomparable education and learning experience.
Bienvenidos.
Добре дошли.
Selamat datang.
Cabo.
Chào mừng.
Bunker Hill Community College에 오신 것을 환영합니다.
Imagine the possibilities.